Hey guys, welcome back to Missy and Skylar. Dang it. Okay, today I'm going to be showing you my favorite fidgets. Why did I just do that? Oh my gosh. So, my first favorite fidget is this poppet. I love this color. It's like a light color compared to all the other ones. So let's listen. That was the quiet side. Loud side, but it's mainly for the looks. And I really like it. It's really good. Definitely one of my favorites. Second one is this giant Orbeez stress ball. I love this Orbeez stress ball. It's really good. And it has like this white bead in it. Let me try to find it. I like doing this. Okay, well, let's go to second favorite. Monkey noodles. I love these colors. I love this pink one, even though pink's not my favorite. It's like the only good color I've never had before. Second, orange. There's a knot in it somebody put in it. Wait. Dang it. I love the orange color though. Look how beautiful. We also have blue. I've had blue before. Not so special. Blue is not my favorite color either. I love the green color. It's so pretty. It's like a neon green. I love neon green. Yellow. I also really love yellow. Yellow. Also neon. I love neon stuff. And I like to put it in color order, so like blue. And I can put it around the jar like this. Blue. Green. Yellow. Yellow, orange, because there's no red, and pink. Also very cute. And last one. Favorite one. Oh my gosh, I love this. Out of all the stuff that I have, this is what I would choose. So if I could go to a store and pick any fidget that I have in my bin, or even my bin, I could get either all of these. I could get this whole basket. Or I could get orange sickle. I would get orange sickle. Well, if it had orange sickle in it, shoot, I would get it. But like, y'all gotta see what I mean. Orange sickle is like the best. Like, the best. It smells so good. And I love the little bits. But the beads do fall out a lot. But I love the texture. I can't stand beads on my floor. Well, my carpets. I cleaned my room today, so it's really nice. But wait, let me show you what the color looks like. You already see the color? It's so beautiful. But like for real. I love Crazy Aaron's putty. Best putty. Simple, dimple, pop it, squeeze, pop it, squeeze, pop it, squeeze. Do y'all ever see that TikTok where it goes, simple dimple, pop, eat. The Bobby lie. The Sabbity lie. It's so weird. Like it just, like you can understand, like, this is what you can understand. So it goes like, simple dimple. Pop, eat. The Bobby lie. The Sabbity lie. And then it just does that. And then it goes, simple dimple. The Sabbity eye. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell so every time I post a new video, y'all can watch it. Wait. Bye, guys.